How to fix Etsy shipping label problem. To fix an Etsy shipping label problem, first of all, shorten the buyer's address format. So, try troubleshooting the label errors. Fix the address formatting. Ensure the address uses only Roman alphabet characters and keep each line under 35 characters by splitting extra details into the lower address lines. And also adjust printer settings. If the label prints tiny or sideways, open your Etsy delivery settings and change the default label size format from 4 by 6 inches for thermal printers. And also use a third-party backups. And also verify the shop locations. You simply have to confirm your shops ship from original or origin postal code and country are completely filled out in your shipping profiles. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.